Your eyes close whenever you kiss me, and when I'm away from you, I love how you miss me. I love the way you always treat me tenderly, but darling, most of all, I love how you love me. I love how your heart beats whenever I hold you. I love how you think of me without being told to. I love the way your touch is always heavenly, but darling, most of all, I love how you love me.
Russia had been taken over by a small group called the oligarchs, who had looted the country of much of its wealth. And the idea that Russia could become a society of free individuals was now seen as a joke.
Fortunately, word socialism has lost its meaning and its value in this country 10 years ago. After 10 years, democracy is a kind of a curse. You can curse, you can offend someone by naming him a Democrat.
In 1999, the oligarchs decided to select Russia's next president, to make sure it was someone who would protect them. And they selected Vladimir Putin. He was an anonymous bureaucrat running the security service, and a man who believed in nothing.
Так, друзья, обрадуем жителей данного подъезда, повесим Владимира Владимировича прямо в лифт. Так, ровненько, ровненько, ровненько. Опа. Отлично, кажется.
Твою мать!
О, ну что это?
Ё-моё!
Вот the f***. Ой, ёб твою мать.
The reality is that all these societies, not just America and Britain, but China and Russia too, are exhausted, empty of any new ideas. All of them have corruption that has burrowed deep into their institutions, corruption that the politicians seem powerless to stop. While China, which many believe is a model for the future, is underneath a society not only riddled with corruption, but its growth is declining far more than the official figures reveal, while its population is rapidly aging. Far from being an alternative future, China may well be yet another old, decaying society that relies on a powerful surveillance system to maintain its power, because it too has no other vision of the future.